This is a DDAmanda scan on VVOS Therapeutics, stock symbol VVOS. And here we have a Munson strategy play. If you go back a little bit here to August 8th, we have a 230 factor, which you can scan for this. Traded $33 million. Then she has her 200-day low right here at 18.23, and the next day 18. So this satisfies all the criteria. You have a high factor followed by a 200-day low, and sure enough, here she is. She goes up 65%. You could have got in anywhere along here a few days ago. And actually, look at the high, 40, almost 45 here. So it trades $86 million. So this is just an example, another example of the Munson scan that we can run here in DDAmanda. Now I'm going to run this scan right now, and I'm going to show you what the symbols are for tomorrow. They'll show up right here, okay? I just started it just now. So here's your symbols. You got 9 stocks that satisfy the Munson for tomorrow. And if you just click on this, it'll copy it to copies it to the clipboard. But here they are. All your symbols here. There they are. Right there, all those 9 symbols. So if you want to check those out for tomorrow, go for it. Anyway, this is the end of the video. I just wanted to show you another example of this great scan that we came up with, and making some pretty good bucks on it. Alright, that's it. Oh yeah, I'm looking here at the after hours. She looks like she may go more tomorrow. This is this is in real time as the day goes by here. But she's hanging in there. Hopefully she doesn't crash tomorrow. Alright, that's the second part. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these. Because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made $10,000. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.